Hi everyone, welcome back to Seller Advantage TV. Today, we're looking at how AI sales assistants can skyrocket Shopify sales, real-time price optimization, AI that maximizes every sale. In today's hyper-competitive e-commerce landscape, pricing strategy has evolved far beyond simple cost-plus calculations or competitor matching. Shopify store owners must simultaneously maximize margins, remain competitive, respond to market fluctuations, and meet customer value expectations, all with increasingly dynamic product catalogs. AI-powered real-time price optimization enables merchants to implement sophisticated, dynamic pricing strategies previously available only to enterprise-level retailers. These systems continuously analyze dozens of variables, including competitor pricing, inventory levels, demand patterns, and customer segments, to automatically adjust prices for maximum profitability at every moment. Studies show that sophisticated price optimization typically increases profit margins by 5–15%, while simultaneously growing revenue by 3–7%. Improvements that flow directly to bottom-line profitability without requiring additional traffic. Today's AI pricing technology is both highly sophisticated and remarkably accessible through purpose-built Shopify applications requiring minimal technical expertise. This means merchants can now deploy pricing strategies of similar sophistication to major retailers like Amazon and Walmart without requiring dedicated data science teams or massive technology investments. Let's explore 3 key strategies for implementing AI price optimization in your Shopify store. First, implement product-specific elasticity modeling and segmentation. Traditional pricing approaches often treat entire categories with similar elasticity assumptions, missing the dramatic variations between individual products. Advanced AI systems use sophisticated regression analysis and machine learning to develop product-specific elasticity models that reveal which products can sustain higher margins and which require more competitive pricing to drive volume. Begin by ensuring your store captures not just purchases, but also page views, cart additions, and abandonment rates at the product level. Integrate competitor price monitoring to establish relative price positioning data. Then develop a robust product segmentation framework that classifies items based on margin contribution, competitive intensity, inventory position, and strategic importance. Merchants implementing advanced elasticity approaches typically identify 15–25% of products where prices can be increased with minimal volume impact, while discovering 10–20% of items where strategic price reductions drive sufficient volume increases to improve overall margin contribution despite lower per-unit margins. Second, deploy dynamic competitive response frameworks. Traditional approaches to competitive pricing often oscillate between rigid margin requirements that ignore market realities and reactive price matching that erodes profitability. Dynamic frameworks continuously monitor competitor pricing, but rather than automatically matching all changes, they apply context-specific rules based on your inventory position, the competitor's significance in your market, whether changes are temporary promotions or permanent repositioning, and each product's strategic importance. Select a competitive monitoring solution with comprehensive coverage of your specific competitors and develop a sophisticated rule framework that defines appropriate responses for different scenarios. Merchants implementing these frameworks typically reduce profit-eroding price matches by 30–50% while maintaining market share, by selectively responding only to competitive changes that meaningfully impact customer purchase decisions. Third, implement personalized pricing and promotion strategies. The most sophisticated application of AI-powered pricing recognizes that price sensitivity varies dramatically across different customer types. By leveraging these insights, merchants can present different promotional offers to different customers based on their specific price sensitivity. Modern AI systems can analyze dozens of customer attributes to predict price sensitivity with remarkable accuracy. Configure your system to identify key customer segments like price-conscious new visitors, loyal repeat customers, bulk buyers, luxury shoppers, and deal seekers based on behavioral patterns. Develop targeted promotional strategies for each segment and implement real-time offer optimization that continuously tests different approaches. Merchants implementing these strategies typically see 15 to 25% higher promotion conversion rates compared to blanket discounting, with average order values increasing by 10 to 20% through strategically designed threshold promotions. Overall promotion costs decrease by 20 to 35%, while driving higher sales, as discounts are presented only to customers who require them for conversion. The implementation of AI-powered price optimization represents a fundamental reimagining of pricing as a dynamic, data-driven function rather than a periodic administrative task. This transformation is particularly valuable in today's volatile e-commerce environment, where pricing must be continuously recalibrated to remain optimal. Early adopters have the opportunity to establish significant competitive advantages, capturing margin and market share that will be increasingly difficult for late adopting competitors to reclaim once optimal pricing becomes the industry standard. In an increasingly margin-pressured e-commerce landscape, this evolution from reactive to proactive pricing intelligence may well become the defining factor, separating thriving businesses from those merely surviving on increasingly compressed margins. For more details, please visit our website at selleradvantage.co.uk. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Laters taters.